In this video, we'll show you some useful Christmas Tipid tips to stretch your Noche Buena budget. Hi, if this is your first time here, please don't forget to check our other videos and playlists about ways to save money and various business ideas that we thought would be helpful for you to earn money. If you want to get updates on our new uploads, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell so you'll be notified when we have new content. Thanks, and let's get rolling. Here are some Christmas Tipid tips to keep in mind when buying your groceries and preparing for Noche Buena. Number 1. Plan before you buy your groceries for Noche Buena. You need to plan these 3 things in the following order: your budget, the menu, and your shopping list. Having a budget prevents you from overspending. Set how much you're willing to spend or contribute, and stick to your budget. Based on that amount, write down the menu and list the ingredients of each one that you need to prepare. This list makes up your grocery shopping list. Number 2. Skip the Christmas ham. Chinese-style hams do not come cheap. As an alternative, you could go for a budget-friendly pear-shaped ham, and just pour over a glaze and top it with fruit slices. Other tasty options are medium embutido, and chicken or pork ham and natto. You'll get the same taste and satisfaction at a lesser cost, which could add up to your savings. Number 3. Replace the protein in your spaghetti. The classic Pinoy-style spaghetti uses ground beef. An excellent way to cut costs is to swap it for ground pork, mushrooms, or even more hot dogs. You could also make it with a can of corned beef. It's economical and convenient. Plus, it lends that familiar beefy taste to your spaghetti sauce. Make it chunkier with diced carrots, celery, or chickpeas. Number 4. Use fish in your lumpia. Your Noche Buena won't be complete without everyone's favorite, lumpiang Shanghai. You can skip the usual meaty filling and use shredded fish instead. If you need to include healthier or meatless options, swapping meat with fish can be a fantastic choice. You can serve them with spiced vinegar or a sweet and sour dipping sauce. Number 5. Serve a native cake for Noche Buena. You'll only need 4 ingredients to make Filipino rice cakes. That's why biku is always a viable menu option for Christmas feasts. You can also add a flavor to it. Chocolate, obey, and buko pandan are variations that you can try. Number 6. Avoid last-minute Noche Buena shopping. Have you started buying food for Christmas Eve yet? Prices of Noche Buena packages and ingredients go higher as Christmas approaches, so you have to buy what you need as soon as you can. If you don't have enough money yet, start buying a few items early, such as noodles, pasta, sauces, fruit cocktails, and other food items that you can stock up until Christmas. You don't necessarily have to buy everything at once. Start buying what's on your Noche Buena food list, a few pieces at a time. What other Tipid tips can you suggest to save money on Noche Buena? We'd love to hear your ideas. Thank you so much for all your support, and we hope you will still continue to spread the word by sharing our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell to get notified when we upload new videos. See you soon!